Refresher on making gradient backgrounds like these. I've got several here already. You can see them by clicking on these little eyeball switches, which makes the visibility happen. I'm going to turn them off. I'm clicking and dragging down and show you how this works. First of all, you cannot draw the gradient on a text layer and keep it the way it's supposed to be. So I'm going to go down here and add a new layer, nice and transparent, so I can see it. If you want to not have these on the screen, you can do that. If you want to collapse the effects, that gives you a little more room. So this is the gradient tool. Remember, it lives with the paint bucket tool. The trick is to change this gradient to the classic gradient. It won't work without this. And then you want the mode not to be normal, but the difference mode. If you leave it as normal, then as you're drawing these gradients, it just wipes out the one that was there before. Change that to the difference mode. It's not the only one, but it's the most dramatic one. And then you can start drawing random lines, and pretty soon you've got something totally unique. Changing colors is easy. You can choose from the different preset ones that you see here, expand them, and then you will get a dramatically different one. You can also change the colors. If you click on the color gradient, you can double click on these and it opens up and you can choose whatever colors you want. With difference mode, it's not like you get those colors. You're just picking another set of numbers for the difference mode to divide by. There's also the circular gradient. If you're like, I want to restart, pretty easy. Go to normal, do 1, and then switch it back to difference mode. Pretty soon you got something that nobody's ever made exactly like that before.